Hi, my name is Jordan Stevens, and I'm here with Kevin Baltazar, and we're creating our video number 4, where we're going to customize an existing window and create a search widget. As you see on the screen, practically there will be a situation when we will need to make changes to existing screens. For example, label change, data type change, logically grouping the fields, and so on. In this recipe, we will take our newly created mom window, as we've seen in last videos, and we will customize it further to understand the process involved in customizing an existing window. In the previous recipe, the tab mom in our window had a start date, start time, and end time as shown here. All of them both display the date and time. Now say we want to achieve the following. The start date displays only the time. Okay, so the start date displays only the date, sorry. The start date only displays the date, so it doesn't display the time next to it, the 12 a.m. The start time and end time display only the time, okay? So not the dates associated with them. And the start time and end time shall appear in the same line. All right. So to do this, we're gonna log out and we're gonna log in as system. And we're going to be a system administrator when we get there. All right, and now we'll look at our table CMOM, and then look at the columns that we want to customize. Select the end time, and then select time in reference field. Do the same for start time. And for the start date, select the reference field as date. We can also put two fields in the same line. We can use this feature if for some reason we think it makes our window with a better layout. So look for minutes of meeting in Window tab field window, and then check the same line checkbox for the end time field to show the start time and end time in the same line. Go to same line. All right. And now let's log in as garden admin to see our work. So now we're going to look at our menu. We're going to look at minutes of meeting. And now we can see that start date is only displays the date, the start time and end time only display the time, and they're in the same line, which will make it easier for users to put in the start date and start time. All right, now the next part we're going to go to is creating a search widget. On the Mon tab, we have the chairperson held where we're entering the username. Similarly, we have the participant's name on the Participants tab, and the Action by Person name on the Discussion Detail tab. Adempier maintains user contact detail. To provide a better finishing of our mom window, it would be good if we can connect these fields with Adempier user/contact so that a user can find the right user/contact and assign them to a mom or a minutes of meeting. This way, all these fields need to be made like a search widget, where a search button appears next to these fields When a user clicks on the search button, he/she will be able to find the user/contact. And upon selection, the user/contact will appear in the field. As part of this recipe, we will follow through the steps required to convert each of these fields into a search widget. In Postgres, we will go to Postgres and we will drop idempiere c_mom_participants line. And we can just do that by simply copying and pasting the drop table from our and going to Postgres and putting that in. Once that query is dropped, then we have our new code that we'll show here. And we'll enter that, and that has gone through. Here we have removed the participant column and added the add user ID column, which has a foreign key relationship with the idempiere.ad_user table. In idempiere, we will log in as system. And log in as a system administrator in the next table. In the window, tab, and field window, we are looking for details of the minutes of meeting window. Next, we're going to remove the participant field from the field tab. Go to the table and column window and go to c_mom_participants line table entry. Click on the Create Columns from DB button. This will create the new AD_user_ID. Select the AD_user_ID column and specific the following values for the two important fields which are more relevant in this context search widget. So now we're going to click reference and change it to search. And underneath of that, we're going to reference key AD user. Go to the window tab and field window and look at the details of minutes of meeting window. Select the participants tab on the tab and view its detail in a single row view. We will see the Create Fields button. Click on the Create Field button so that the newly added user/contact column is added as a field. Change the sequence of the user/contact field so that it comes before company. Log out and log in as garden admin. Save that. X out. Go to the Minutes of Meeting window and go to the Participants tab. You will notice that the user/contact field is populated by default with the current logged in username, and a search button appears next to the field. We can do the same we did to chairperson on the Mom tab into the action by on the discussion detail tab. And all the codes applied here can be found in the description box below. And with that, we can show you the search widget and customizing the windows. And with that, this will be the end of this video.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.